Regarding our chosen SDGs, our business idea is to build environmental friendly developed wind turbines. Those wind turbines are helping Germany for all three SDGs. Why wind turbines? First of all, wind power is a rapidly expanding source of renewable energy, so it has a lot of benefits for the country itself. The shift to cleaner energy can also help cleaning the air, so it's very helpful for people with, for example, asthma. Thirdly, wind power offers a variety of additional environmental benefits. For example, gas reduction, which is very important these days. But however, there are environmental costs associated with all energy sources, so do wind turbines. So we have to pay attention for that.
To do the country analysis, we split it up in three main groups. Firstly, the German politics. Germany's government is a representative democracy and a republic. The head of the German state is the president, currently Frank-Walter Steinmeier. The head of the government is known as the federal chancellor. Currently, it's Angela Merkel. Germany is a part of the Paris Climate Agreements and already started or is going to start to make some changes at their laws. Germany was already one of the top countries fighting against climate change. They reduced almost half of their CO2 emissions. Secondly, the German economic. It is the world's fourth largest economy by nominal gross domestic product and the fifth largest by people purchasing power. When it comes to technology and innovation, it is a leading country.
Finally, about German culture. The Human Development Index is 0.936, which is very good, and it is ranked 5 compared to other countries from the whole world. The healthcare system is very consumer oriented, and education is known as one with the highest quality in the world. We've chosen SDG 7, 11, and 13. The SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. We choose it because Germany is pretty far on clean energy and likely to spend more money on it. The SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities. They have a national sustainable development strategy. The SDG 13, climate action. Germany is one of the top countries fighting against climate change. And our final selected SDG is number 7, because thinking about companies' needs and Germany, it's the most suitable one.
For company activities, we have decided that our company would invest in energy science, research, and development. In this sense, our main goal for these activities are to improve performance, lowering costs, and reducing market barriers for German wind energy. There are two parts for these activities, which are wind resource characterization and wind research development.
Global market conditions. The offshore wind power market is projected to reach a cumulative installed capacity of 94 gigawatts by 2026. In 2018, the offshore wind market was valued at 23 gigawatts of cumulative installation globally. Installation in water depth below 30 meters holds the major share in the market and is expected to dominate in the coming years. Increasing focus on renewable energy sources and rise in energy demand are the driving factors in offshore wind power production. The UK and Germany account for more than half of the global share in the offshore wind power market. China, the United Kingdom, and Germany are the fastest growing countries in the global offshore wind power installation market.
As key activities, we have to develop technologies and infrastructure that are best suited for the German climate. Further, we have to select the appropriate region for the installation of this. We also have to connect generators with turbines within electrical grids. And finally, we have to transfer the produced clean energy to all the consumers throughout Germany. For key resources, revenue and investment streams must be kept flowing, as the substantial costs of the infrastructure for wind turbines are great, and many must be established to generate substantial energy to make it environmentally friendly and economical, which is logical. So here you can see our three value propositions. The first one is producing green power and generating clean and environmentally friendly energy solutions. Secondly, we want to create renewable energy instead of energy with a high pollution level. The last one is generating renewable energy by which we can solve the problem of climate change and where we can help our environmental thinking customers by providing alternatives. On which customers' interface has to focus? The first important thing is that they have to focus on people who want to pay for a high quality floor. These people mostly have a high income and expect a long duration of the products. Then you have the planet lovers. These people are very interested in the manufacturing process and the impact on the planet. These people would save money on other things so they can buy planet-friendly products. The last group of customers are the companies who want to build sustainable and high-quality offices. These companies are potentially clients for interface.
The construction of the wind turbines will also have a lot of ecological and social costs. The installation of the wind turbines itself will impact the surrounding landscape and its ecosystem. People who live near a wind turbine will also see a negative impact on the value of their properties. The installation of a new wind turbine will also cause an increase of the emission of CO2. The construction of the electrical grids needed and the development of the generators needed will also be a huge investment and cost a lot of money. Besides the eco-social costs, there is also eco-social benefits. For example, the German population will receive access to renewable energy source. When there are enough wind turbines installed, a less renewable source of energy can be discarded. After the installation, the wind turbines generate energy that is completely renewable. Through which channels do our customer segments want to be reached? We will use the government. Online and offline marketing help them to get in touch with our products. Where is the best place to put a wind turbine? First of all, wind turbines do not work well in crowded residential areas because they create a lot of noise pollution which could bother the humans. They also don't work where birds are frequent because the turbines can kill these animals when they unknowingly fly into them. And at last, wind turbines and farms perform better in unpopulated windy areas, but there is a need for an access to the power grid. We have three major goals: producing green power and generating clean environmental friendly energy solutions by placing wind turbines. Second, creating renewable energy instead of energy with a high pollution level. And third, building wind turbines, we generate renewable energy and help solve the problem of climate change. And as you can see on the image, wind turbines are a very effective way to fight climate change.